Hey guys, it's me Isaiah, and today we're going to be doing a fidget spinner unboxing. I'm going to go get it. It's right here. Okay, I need scissors to open it and remove. Cannot see my information. I'll get a scribble on all my information. Can you see the back? Yes, you can. Okay, so yeah. This is it. I'm going to cut it open. I'm going to cut it open. Go. Cut. Not cut! Might hear my sister and my mom, but they're just... My sister has to clean her room. Ah, come on. Okay. You cannot see it. This is a surprise. Okay, my mom's coming. Oh. Hello? Have you seen, when you were helping the deal with the posters, did you see a Cameron Dallas poster? It said Cameron on it, and it was this guy. The posters. Like hanging up my posters in different spots. You didn't? I just caught my sister. Okay. Okay. Never mind. Bye. My mom might start yelling because I just caught my sister in a lie. So yeah, I'll be right back. Beep. Taking the fidget spinner with me. Mom.
That's not what you said. I just said she's watching. No, that's not what you said. You said Selena helped me move them. I thought she said. Yes, she did. No, you said she helped me.
Okay. So, yeah. This is the fidget spinner. It's really, really cool. Oh my gosh, it's cooler on... This is it. I'm going to spin it, so when it stops, then you'll finally see it. See that it's like bronze, pretty much. And then, yeah, I'll slow down a bit. Slow it down. This is it. This is the fidget spinner. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. It's really, really cool. Don't know if you can see that. See. Oh crap, I don't think you can see it. I want you to see this. Look at this. I'm going to go into the light so you can see me. I'm going to go into the floor. Right here. This is the floor. On the floor, and it spins it like... This is penny fidget spinner. Okay, so there's pennies. And look at the caps. Like, it's all made of bronze and stuff. And then on the back, they're like pennies in there. Pennies. And it's made out of all bronze. Like the case and stuff. And then the caps. Let's see if I can take them off. 1 second. I don't think I can. Okay, I got it. Yeah. Whoa, that's a weird bearing. It's like a medium-sized bearing. I don't know if you can see that. It looks bigger on camera. But yeah, this is a bearing. Compared to my finger, and those, that's a regular bearing, and that's like what I got in the middle. Beep. I'm gonna put the caps back on.
Yes, that's better. That's way too close to home.
Okay, yeah, I got it back on. That was a little struggle. I struggled a bit there, I'm not gonna lie. And then, yes, this is, it spins just like that. I'm gonna spin it really fast. Beep. Wait. Does that look cool? Yeah? No, maybe so. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna go back to my setup table thing. I gotta pee so bad. I don't know why I made this video right now. Okay. Yeah, well, this is this fidget spinner. I like it very much. It spins fast. Where's the package? Zena, hi, girl. Zena, come here. Do you want to be on YouTube, Zena? Come here. Come here! Come here, fine. Okay. This is my dog, Zena. Oh, you can't really see her. Come here, Zena. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on, Zena. Can you see her now? She's a boxer. That's my pit bull, Peter. And this is my little poodle, Noddle. I can't even see her. Okay, yeah. Zena, you wanna do my outro or whatever it's called? Okay, come here, Zena, come here. You want a treat? I got a treat. And then they all rush over here. Okay, Zena, do my outro. Hey, come here. Okay. It's all for this video. Like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed. Peace out.